What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You guys know you are the best. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I enjoy your feedback, your thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you, you're the best. Thanks. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Look, if you're new to my channel, click subscribe. Go ahead and join the team. Click the bell and you'll get a notification every time I make a video, which is all the time. Okay, you guys? So today I'm going to talk about frost. I don't know what's going on with this weather, y'all. I just don't know. I just came home from work. The wind blowing like crazy. I'm going to have to hurry up and do this video because I'm scared. That's a big tree. That's a big boy right there. Okay. And they're calling for frost. Yep. I think tomorrow evening into Sunday, frost may be freezing. They were even talking about snow in some area. The polar vortex. I loved science in school, but I never heard of the polar vortex. So I'll be researching that. You guys, do what you want to do, how you want to do it. My videos are just to give you a guide, some general ideas of what I do that works for me. It might not work for you. I'm in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. You may be in Florida, where you get some great weather all the time. You guys don't compare your garden to anybody else's or what they do to what you do. Because, let me tell you the truth. I started not to do this video today. I planned on doing it yesterday. And I told a friend of mine I want to make a video on frost. And she was like, okay, but I didn't do it. I wound up doing something else. So today I went on my good friend Rusty Gardening's channel, and I'd be dog if he didn't put up his frost video. But that's okay, because he's in Zone 7, Maryland, and I'm in Zone 7, Virginia. We're on the same zone, you guys, up and down the East Coast. And if you don't know what zones are, it's just your growing area and what grows, you know, based off of past history in your area. So check out Farmer's Almanac, and they'll tell you about your zones. Okay, I love you. Let's dive into this video. So they're calling for some freezing temperatures tonight. So I'm going to start off on the deck, talking about what can stand the frost. Your leafy greens can withstand the frost. Okay? They can even withstand snow most of the time. Your leafy greens and your root vegetables, they can take that frost. They can take it. Your beans, when you first start your beans off, I'm not going to protect the little ones that came out the ground. I'll show you those in a minute in the garden. But like these that have gotten larger and they have these true leaves on them, again, shout out to the Dollar Tree, because all I simply have to do is take my containers right in the house, back door right there, or out to the garage. So why take that long walk? And the frost is only supposed to be overnight. I can take them right in the house. Simple. Look. Great. I love these pots, you guys. I love them. And you can always adjust. You can always adjust these, you guys, because see, I see where some were missing some sunlight. So I'm going to put this one on top now. Yeah, so you want to protect these. Now, I can just take these right in the house, okay? Now, some of you cannot take them in the house, and you're going to have to cover them. Now, simple ways to cover your plants. Now, like something this big, I'm going to have to show you out there because I have a bigger cover for this. But, also, shout out to the Dollar Tree. I could use this. I could take this. Look at my huge cucumber. Take this, you guys, because it's only overnight, and gently put my leaves inside, like that. Gently put them inside. And I would put this over top of them, just like that. You guys, you want to keep them from the direct frost and that freeze. They're like this, they should be okay. Okay? And if the wind's going to be blowing like it's blowing right now, just put a rock or a brick over it. Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. We didn't mean to squishy you. I'm going to take you in the house. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands and social distancing and all that good stuff. So, now say for instance you want to work on your plants that you have in your buckets. Frost. Everybody can't carry these in the house. Okay, okay. And my mama, she wouldn't play that. You ain't bringing that stuff in here. Not near my kitchen. Where I do my cooking. Ain't no pets and no plants coming in her kitchen while she cooking. I love you guys. Now, I have 4 pepper plants in here. Yep, 4. Because they're different sizes and different varieties. And once they get big and strong, I can always separate if I need to. You know how we do, you guys. We do what we want to do, how we want to do it. And see if it works. Now, these 4 I can cover with this Dollar Tree container. Just like that, y'all. Look. All of these are protected. Yep. Now, I'll probably put the strawberries inside, either in the garage or my utility room is right here. So I do have that option. I'm just blessed to have that option where my utility room is right here at my deck. But yeah, with these, if you only had 1 plant, shout out to the Dollar Tree for the red cup. Okay, it's not only just using for sipping, you can use it for protection. Now, if you only have the 1 plant, let me use this one too because it's a little bigger. Just take the cup, put it right over there, and push it down in the ground, just like that. And you got a pepper plant protected. Same over here. If they were spaced apart like that and you needed to do multiple, just do multiple. You get 16 of these for $1, y'all, at the Dollar Tree, the red cups. Bam, they're all covered. Just like that. Now, for things that are outside in your yard and your garden already, I know a lot of us started early and we put some things out early. And you know, that's why I tell y'all, you have to go off of your instinct and do what you want to do, because I've been told over and over and over, it's Mother Nature. I mean, on Mother's Day is the best time. You're guaranteed to put your stuff in the ground on Mother's Day. Well, guess what? This year, Mother's Day is going to be frozen. Okay, okay. So, to do things out here in your regular garden, things that I want to protect are my tomatoes. I put some of those out early. Let me get my camera so you can see me. We'll put you down in the ground with me. You know how I like to do. So, if you had a tall tomato, say for instance you had a tall tomato, this is one of my tallest ones. Not that tall, but it's tall. But if it was taller, all you do is take a bucket. Bam. Take a brick. Bam, she's covered for the night. Okay, okay. And you guys, I got these buckets from Home Depot online, delivered right to my house. They were like $2.48 a piece, y'all. I got 10 of them. My garden gave back to me with that YouTube commercial, and I'm giving back to my garden. Okay, okay. Those funds are not just going in my pocket. It's going to pay some bills and some electric bills for all these lights I'm using, but I'm going to put back into my garden. So if you needed to cover up a big plant, just use your bucket. If you don't have a bucket, okay. Take these Amazon boxes we've been ordering our supplies from. Cover it up. Turn this way. Take these boxes, cover it up. Put a rock or brick on it. If you don't have a bucket, you got a coffee can. Coffee thingy. Like that. Twist it down in there like that a little bit. Or put a rock or a brick on it. Okay? Okay! Thank you guys so much for being here. And then you can also use, now I don't suggest the cups because it's going to be windy probably, so I'm not going to do the cups. But again, if you had a smaller area of plants that you wanted to cover, you would just take this, cover your plants up, y'all. Just take them and cover them up. Cover them up. But we don't have to cover these leafy greens because they can withstand frost. They are cold weather crops. Cold weather crops. So yeah, you guys, quick and easy. If you have your little containers from takeout, stick them right over there and cover them. Put a brick over them. And you should be just fine. Now your leafy greens, your root vegetables, things that are deep down in the ground should be just fine. Now I was telling you about these green beans. Well, these different pole and bush beans that I have a whole row that I germinated in a paper towel. Can you see them, you guys? Yeah, I have a whole row. Now, these are just germinating. And these are not the true leaves. These are like the starters. But I think they'll be fine. I think they'll do just fine with the frost. because they're so young and the leaves are very, very thick, you guys. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you, how to protect your garden from frost. Who knew we would be getting the frost on Mother's Day in May, Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia? But hey, you never know. So remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. And you're the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. I love you.